Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create text with wave in and fade out effects in CapCut. So in here, I already have tags on my videos. It is actually lyrics, but it's just text. And to add a wave in and fade out effects, you can just click on the text and then go to animations. For the wave in effect, you need to find it under the in category, wave in. Okay, this one, adjust it to your liking. And then for the fade out, go to out and find fade out. Okay, this one, and adjust it to your liking. And after that, you can just click you need to make sure that you check this option, apply to auto captions, and after that click on a check icon and it will be applied to all of your text and it will become like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.